Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Vivo V5S. So the Vivo V5S comes with Android 6.0. Along with that it has this Fun Touch OS, that's a custom UI on top of Android, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on this device. So let's get started. So first step, let's see the control center. So if you just swipe from the bottom of the screen, you can see the control center. So this control center has a lot of icons which are the quick toggles available. There are two rows of quick toggles available, and at the end you can see the three dots available. So just click these three dots and you can see how you can customize the quick toggle section. You can see these are the icons available, and you can just drag and rearrange, or if you want to add any icon which is not available here, say for example reboot and power off is not available, so we have now added those options, and then click done, and now you can see that those options will be added here. So you can see the power off option. So this is how you can customize the control center on this device. So next option, if you just press and hold on the home screen, you can see these three options: widgets, FX, and also hide icon. So hide icon basically hides or any of the icons, app icons available here. So it doesn't uninstall it, but it just hides it. So what you can do is just press and hold any icon and just drag it onto this hide icon area, and the icon will be hidden from the home screens. So this is basically just to hide that app alone, but it will be still visible if you just press and hold and see which all apps are hidden. You can still see that and actually access it. That's a simple trick. So one of the useful option is the personal hotspot. So we all use our mobile phones to share the internet connection whenever we are traveling, or if you want to share the current internet connection on this phone to another device, we use the personal hotspot. So here we have a pretty useful option. So once you configured the personal hotspot, you can see one-time sharing limit. So what it does is you can set the limit for the personal hotspot. So if you just click here, you can see 20 MB, 30, 50, 100, and a custom limit. So what it does is if you set as 50 MB, so once the 50 MB limit is reached, the other device cannot access the internet. So that's a limited personal hotspot, and you can, if you're sharing to your friends, you can limit the internet connection on this device. So that's a pretty useful option. Next up, let's go to the sounds. So if you go to the sound, this phone comes with a dedicated audio chipset, which provides really great experience when listening to music. So if you just scroll down, you can see there is an option called hi-fi. So this phone comes with hi-fi music. So if you want to experience hi-fi music, so just click this and enable the player wherein you want to enable the hi-fi music. So by default it is available on all the music apps, including iMusic, Video, YouTube, Google Play, Ghana, and Savan. So these are the apps which are currently available and installed. So you can turn this on any of the apps which you listen to music. So once this is enabled, you get a really good sound quality on your phone. Next up, let's go to the display and brightness. So here we have a pretty useful option called eye protection mode. So basically eye protection mode provides a better experience when using the phone, especially in the night. It doesn't give a strain to your eyes, and the brightness levels are pretty much dimmed for eye protection. So that can be enabled from here. You can select if you want warmer or colder color, so that screen color can be chosen here. So you can set the eye protection mode from this device. So next option is the fingerprint and password. So you can set a password or rather fingerprints to protect the app. So if you want a particular app to be protected, you can use the fingerprint scanner. So we'll show you how to enable app lock on this device. So once you open the fingerprint option, you can see privacy and app protection. App encryption is there. So just enable the privacy and app encryption, and you will be asked to provide a backup password in case the fingerprint fails. So that now you have set it there. Now you can see privacy and app encryption at the bottom. So just click this option, and again you will be asked for fingerprint or the password. Now you can see once that is done, you can see the privacy and app encryption. So you can select all the apps which are installed for protecting. So right now we have in protected Amazon shopping. Now let's go back and open the Amazon shopping option. So you can see now once you open it, you can see that it is protected, and you need either need a fingerprint or you need to enter the password. So just we press this, and now you can see Amazon has been opened. So that's pretty useful option to protect any apps or installed on this device using the fingerprint scanner. Now let's go to the battery settings. So here we have the normal settings, the power consumption mode, and there is a super power saving mode. That's a pretty useful mode. So if you're running very low on battery and you're expecting some calls or messages, what you can do is go to the super power saving mode, and this will you can see only contacts, phone, messaging and alarm function will be enabled. And you can select this, and now you can see all the other options are disabled. Only clock, contacts, phone and messages. So basically if you're looking to make calls when the battery is low, this is the best mode available, and if you want you can exit this mode whenever you charge the phone. Now let's go to the more settings available. So here we have an option called OTG. So if you want to connect a computer peripherals and other mouse, USB keyboard or a USB pen drive, you need to enable OTG. So you can just select this option and enable the OTG functionality. And what it does is now it enables you, the phone to use the OTG functionality, and if no device is connected, it will automatically turn off in 5 minutes time. Next, if you go to the phone settings, so here we have an option called call recording. So call recording is available in quite a lot of phones, and this phone also comes with a call recording option. So we just select this, we can record calls automatically. Any call received on this device will be recorded. That is the call, record all calls automatically, record custom calls automatically. So you can also select custom calls, say some calls you want to record, that can be also be done using the custom call recording option. Then there is also call barring and call forwarding. So those are self-explanatory. If you want to bar any phone call, you can do this from this option. Next up, we have the smart motion. So smart motion, we have smart awake, air operation, smart turn or off the screen, smart call, shake to turn on the flashlight, tilt to zoom pictures, and smart remind. So we'll just go through these options. So smart awake have a lot of options. You can see draw C to wake the dialer, draw M to play music. So these are like options available in a lot of devices. So you can just draw C on the screen to wake the dialer, similarly M to play music. So these are self-explanatory options. Then we have air operations. So you can just do air operations like this to unlock or bring in the black screen you can see the notification. So those are the air operations. So there is smart call, smart turn off, or double click to light up the screen, double tap to turn off the screen. So these are smart turn on or off gestures. Then there is shake to turn on the flashlight. You can just shake the screen, the phone, to turn on the flashlight. So these are some useful options. Then we have a smart split option. So what this does is, once you enable, if you're using Facebook messages or WhatsApp option, so what it does is in case if you're using these apps and when a message is received with an app running in full screen view, the message will be shown as a floating icon. Tap on icon and the screen will split into two apps will be displayed at the same time. So this is not exactly the split screen app. This is available only for certain apps, that is like display notification as floating icons for these apps. So not all apps can be done in that manner. Then you have the option called super screenshot. So that's one very useful option. You can see super screenshot option is available when you swipe from here. So super screenshot option is just available by swiping from here. You can see the S capture option. So when you click the S capture, we have four options: long screenshot, screen recording, rectangular, and funny screenshot. So if you just select, you can do the screenshot of any particular area on the screen, and you can just save this. So this is a very useful feature in this device. Then you have the smart click option. So once this option is turned on, what you can do is just press and hold the volume down key to use the phone. So what functionality it has to do, that is being set here. So you can turn on or off the flash, record, open camera, Facebook, enable a particular app, that can be done here. So only one functionality can be set when the screen is blank. Hold the volume down key to use the phone notes. So that's another useful option. Then finally we have the app clone functionality. So app clone, as we already done a video on that, will allows you to display, run two instances of the same app. So display the clone button. So what you need to do is just press and hold the icon where you want to enable it, and you can see this will now be in edit mode, and you can see a small plus icon alongside this, and just tap on the plus icon and you can see another instance of that app has been enabled here. So that's the second instance, and now you can start using WhatsApp. That's a dual instance. So right now this is available only for WhatsApp. We tried other apps, so that's not available. It's available only for WeChat, WhatsApp, and another social networking app. But in India, it's pretty much useful only for WhatsApp. So that's all guys with the tips and tricks you can try out on the Vivo V5S with Fun Touch OS and Android 6.0. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.